Alright guys, Forex market, second time for the day, Euro versus the US dollar. Very excited about this one, guys. We've just made a decision to pull the trigger, and we did that before the trigger, before our main point of reference here, 1714, was broken. That was supposed to be the triggering move, but we feel confident that price action is on its way to do exactly that. I want to show you why there's a good chance, why we're promoting. Basically what we're trying to promote is a stronger dollar, right? A weaker US dollar, right? We're doing this through the dollar versus the Canadian short position that we have over there. And now we're adding the Euro versus the USD on the way up, meaning, again, weaker US dollar, right? That's our agenda. I want to show you the weekly chart, guys. This is why we're kind of interested in the situation here. First of all, from the weekly perspective, right? From the, the medium to long-term cycle, we can see that price action ever since late 2020, it started to trade sideways in a consistent fashion. So we had the first leg on the way down, second on the way up, and then the third one is just about to find its end, because price action had started to trade sideways here too, right? So it kind of entered a lowercase trading range. So we got a trading range within a bigger trading range. You see what I mean? Here we got that 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's just it's perfect synchronization right now between the two cycles. I'm talking about the bigger one, blue, the smaller one is black, supposed to start turning around according to 1714 here and produce the fifth leg on the short-term cycle. That leg's supposed to turn into, basically to merge with the higher term cycle and head back to 122. That's how this particular moment right now is these two cycles in perfect, in line with each other. And that's probably the best spot you want to catch any asset, any trading opportunity you're looking at. So guys, without any further ado, right, let's go right ahead and talk about the position that we've just launched. Pull the trigger. As you can see, price action is still right there. We took a little bit of a risk here because we should have been waiting for price action to actually, break 1714 back in. But we just feel comfortable, confident that it will. But once it does, right, so we started pretty small, just $10,000. Once it does cross over, solidify that breakout, we're going to come in and get more aggressive on the euro dollar, right? The attempt is to build a big size position and catch that 1, 2, 3, 4, like I said, the fifth leg all the way up to 1871. That's the target. Now that's the final destination. We also have a secondary targets at 1780 and 89, and then you might use 1856 as well. We'll see. But that's pretty much the levels we're facing. If, of course, and that's a big if, price action will turn around at this point, as we suspect. All right, guys, there you go. That's about that. Euro dollar. Last thing before we go, stop loss level will sit at 1640, and that's it, guys. That's about that for the day-to-day forex market. We're not done yet. We still have the cryptocurrency market to talk about, so see you there.